Tear off the electrostatic sticker and stick it on the front windshield where you want to install ViewClear 70. Make sure your ViewClear 70 is intact. Then peel off the 3M glue on the 3M mount and stick it. There are two ways to power your ViewClear 70. Pull out the rest of the fuse box cover. Then find the correct slot to connect the hardware kit. Use a test pencil to find the slot always on. Then find the slot only activate with ignition. Remove the fuses located on those two slots and connect the hardware kit. Connect the Lonition Power red cable. On fuse slot only activate with ignition. Connect the constant power yellow cable on fuse slot always on. Ground cable black can go here or any other ground you may find. Plug in the camera to make sure it runs without ignition on. Top of the car plastic cover is flexible enough to lift for the cable to be inserted for a clean and discreet look. Hide the cable down the A-pillar to the front of the driver's seat footrest. Hide the extra hardwire kit in the fuse box. Use a pry bar to pry up the car's headliner through the roof panel and conceal the power cable. Route the power cable to the right along the A-pillar. Then continue tucking it down until it lies in front of the front passenger's floor mat. Hide the power cable beneath the floor mat and connect the car charger to the vehicle. Connect the car charger's power cable to the ViewClear 70. Connect the rear camera power cable to the recorder host and hide it in the same way as the hardwire kit cable. After hiding in the A-pillar, the cable is hidden along the top gap to the B-pillar. Then go to the C-pillar in the same way. After hiding in the C-pillar, the top extends to the rear windshield. Install the rear camera. The installation method is the same as the ViewClear 70 host. Finally, connect the power cable.